Hey guys, it is a very early Thursday morning, and this will be my first sea turtle nest patrol for the 2020 season. I volunteer with Share the Beach, which is an organization that patrols the Alabama coastline looking for sea turtle nest activity. We have volunteers who patrol every mile of Alabama coastline, and what we do is we look for any activity from a sea turtle that has come ashore to lay a nest. Gonna take you along and show you what we do. Hope you enjoy the videos, and thank you for watching. So that was my first sea turtle nest patrol for this season. No turtle activity on my section of beach this morning, maybe next time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and thank you for watching the videos.